I have worked in railways as an associate professor. I have also worked in AP State Council of Higher Education, which is the apex body of all the universities. And I have also worked in English and Foreign Language University as a deputy finance officer. Just I want to give a message to younger generation. The reason is in India, in the age group of 30 to 40 are in huge number. That is a young population. We have a lot comparing to the other countries in the world. And in this connection, just I am saying that less number death toll in corona is due to the young population, huge number is one of the reasons. Okay, we will come back. The purpose to give a message to is India needs a hard-working young population and sincere to work population and with good characters population any country needs. So character is important, good education is also important, and hard working important. But today's generation they never dream big like Sri APJ Kalam said, dream big, work towards that dream so that one day or other you will be able to achieve your goal, that is your dream which you have dreamt it. So in this connection, I want to tell to the young friends, they should always think that they one day or other they should become very knowledgeable person and going to have a higher positions in future. This type of young generation are not much. Always they think that just complete the degree or engineering, get placement. When the placement companies come, then the companies come to the college campus. In my view, they should plan for big things, like if it is a management, they should plan for, we have an education in Harvard Business School. No doubt it is a very costly affair, but a government like KCR government, they are also financing if they would like to study in abroad for higher education. If it is engineering, they should plan for MS in good universities of the USA, as the best education is available in the world, that is in USA, especially for the management courses and for the engineering courses. And even they should not stop with MS also, they should also do PhD, so that they are having a good knowledge. And once you have a good knowledge, you will be picked for higher positions. Now you might be knowing even Ambani Group's children, that is Mukesh Ambani's sons also, sons and daughter, though they can study in India in big universities or in good universities, but still they have gone to USA and they have acquired management degrees. That speaks that good education, quality education, and standard education are required to shine in the business or in the positions you hold in the company. So, my sincere request to the young generation is keeping in mind of the words of APJ Kalam, dream big and work towards the acquiring good knowledge, standardized knowledge, quality knowledge. But some instances I have seen parents are encouraging the younger generation, if time requires, shortcut methods to acquire the certificates or the degrees, which they should not do. This is a appeal to the parents. When a young generation, their children, if they spend good amount in a party or if he spends good amount, they think that that is a big achievement of their children, which is totally incorrect. It was an example long ago. I have stolen the cigarette from my uncle's pocket and I have used that cigarette. That means I had a smoke with that cigarette. Later, it was noticed by my uncle. He called and told me, I don't feel for your stealing of a cigarette. I feel very bad is when you don't have a capacity to earn a cigarette, how do you smoke a cigarette? So that made me till today that not to smoke a cigarette, though I have a lot of capacity to purchase good number of cigarettes. The reason is that whenever I eat, whenever I drink, I think in terms of uses to the body. When it is not useful to my body, why should I drink? Why should I eat? In those terms, keeping in view, I have totally stopped smoking. Not even once. That was the last case when it was noticed by my uncle, and which are not good for the body, good for the body, and which is not good for health. I don't eat. This is also a message to the younger generation. They believe in eating the pizzas. They all, what I can say, a food which is more available in bakery, they feel like to eat that too, not in a particular time as ever they like. So eating habits also they should change, because if your health is good, you can do wonders. That is going to help you in your education. So if you are working hard and if you are acquiring a good degree and if you are having a good knowledge, certainly you will be placed in a good company. And not only placing in good company, in future also, if you acquire further degrees, further knowledge, that is going to place you in higher positions like CEOs and all. So all our young friends, they should think that one day or other they should become the CEOs of the company and they should work towards that goal. So once if you are financially sound with your own money, you can really enjoy your life. So my sincere advice to all young population is work hard, acquire good knowledge that should be appreciable by all your family members, all your friends and members in the society and the state and the nation, they should appreciate. Always you should think that if a knowledge what I have, that should be recognized, that should be identified by the university, by the state and the nation and all your friends and family members. So in this line they should work. So just for the sake of degrees they should not study. For the sake of knowledge, for the sake of good identification in the society, you should study. So if this is your goal, and when you join in the course, when you join in the job, when you get a good placement, you should dedicatedly deliver the goods. Sincerely, you should work. There also, character is also very important. You should be a model in the organization. You should treat all your subordinates as your friends. And your seniors, always you should take their advices as a guidance and their direction, senior direction as a guidance. If you take it, you will be very successful. See you. So, character, sincerity, and the hard work and working hard to acquire the knowledge. If these are there as their the young generation, they should think that good knowledge, hard working, quality knowledge, and sincere to the position, and people around you in the organization, they should identify you as a good manager in the same lines. In the eyes of the seniors, in the eyes of the top management, you should be identified as a sincere, hardworking, knowledgeable employee. So, character, hardworking, and acquiring good knowledge, working towards acquiring knowledge as well as the higher positions. If these are the assets to young population, they will be successful in the life. This is the message I thought of to give to young population to be successful in their life and in their career. And in a nutshell, if you are having knowledge, you are going to have a good position. If you are going to have a good position, your earnings are also very good. And if you are going to be promoted to the higher positions, see the parents and companion who is going to join, and children who are going to come in your life, they are going to be best benefited with all these things. So coming generations will also reap these benefits. So keeping in view, my sincere request acquire quality knowledge, acquire and be sincere to your position, and you should be a model in the organization, and you should be a model when you are a student in your university, and you should be a model in your family, and you should be a model even in the nation if it is possible. So then you are going to be a very, very successful young generation. All the best.